Hello, sunshine. Welcome to Nanaba's Kitchen. Today on the menu is pineapple, lime, and ginger juice. Yes, next level yumminess. So hydrating and refreshing. You will love this drink. So, your ginger, you must wash very thoroughly, especially if you're not peeling it. And then for the lime, you're going to cut up some rings for garnishing and also to release that zesty essence. You're going to squeeze the rest of the lime juice straight into the blender. So pour the ginger into the blender and then follow up with the lime juice. Now for the pineapples, I encourage you to use extremely ripened pineapples. You'll get so much sweetness, you will not need to have additional sweetener in this recipe. And that's exactly what I did. I've already peeled my pineapples and diced them, so that's now going into the blender. I have two large, very ripened pineapples because I am making a lot today. You do need to add a little bit of water, drinking water that is, before you blend. Perfectly blended, the next step is obviously to strain it to catch your juice, which you cannot wait to enjoy because just the fragrance this thing is exuding right now is enough to make you gulp it down even before you're done with the preparation. If you are enjoying yourself and having fun with Nanaba in that kitchen, please give me a thumbs up. We're just now preparing the next and final batch. You see how thick this drink is. Now, with the pulp, I typically make a lot of pulp because I've been juicing a lot these days. So I just add it to my compost. However, you can use it to make cakes or cupcakes. Somebody actually suggested this in a comment on one of my previous juicing videos, which I absolutely hands down think is a brilliant kitchen hack because I'm all about not having any waste in the kitchen. Make sure you're giving me a thumbs up because this is gorgeous. And drink on. Refreshing, hydrating, delicious, nutritious, all packed beautifully and packaged in this one glass. Perfection. Friends, I hope you enjoyed yourself. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And I hope also that you are inspired to try this very easy recipe. Now, if you do want to add additional sweeteners, please go for it. Thank you for watching. Make it a great day. And as always, have fun, especially in that kitchen. Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below, and don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time, and here in Anaba's Kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.